AU. Thank you very much. Here is the flag. Thank you.
I want to thank you, Mr. Chairperson, for giving me the floor, and let me take this very early opportunity to express my deep and sincere appreciation to His Excellency Cyril Ramaphosa, President of the Republic of South Africa and outgoing Chairperson of the African Union, for the commitment and selfless and focused leadership that you have exemplified as Chairperson of our Union. You will all agree with me that our children received the harshest brunt of this pandemic. The lockdowns resulted in significant losses of income for all our caregivers and all our people. And without a doubt, our children are the future of this continent, and we as leaders must guarantee a better tomorrow for them. We as leaders today must preserve and protect their well-being. It is against this backdrop that Kenya, in partnership with the United Kingdom, is co-hosting the Global Partnership for Education Finance Conference of the 25th and 26th of July, 2021. The aim is to raise approximately $5 billion to ensure that all children, particularly those in Africa and in other developing countries, have equitable access to quality education in the post-COVID period.